Hello friends, welcome to Narrative Travel Hub. I have recorded this video back in 2023 September. Sorry, I couldn't put any videos furthermore. So I decided to publish my this video. This video will be showcasing my journey to UK via Dubai International Airport. So my journey starts from Bandar Naraka International Airport. So we are taking Emirates flight, and from there we going to Dubai, and Dubai to London Stansted Airport. Sorry, I don't have any details of these flights departing from Bandar Naraka Airport since it's have been 2 years ago. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. So let's give it a comment if there are anything. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. This is the same Emirates flight we are going to take to Dubai.
Welcome aboard. We're about to show you the safety features of this Emirates flight, and we need your full attention. Under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt symbol is illuminated. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap and lift the metal flap after this third gear. For takeoff and landing, laptops need to be switched off and stowed correctly. Any mobile phones or tablets should be put into flight mode. After takeoff,
While we are holding for arriving Sri Lankan Airlines A330, the Sri Lankan Airlines has been hit by a bird strike. So the pilot of Sri Lankan Airlines requests to carry out a runway inspection. So we are holding on the runway threshold. So it will be a quite unusual experience for me. So what you think? Just leave it in the comment section.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain, we're just lined up on our departure runway 22. There was an aircraft that landed ahead of us that struck a bird on landing, so the authorities will need to conduct a runway inspection for safety reasons prior to our departure. Once they verify that the runway is clear, we should be ready to depart. We apologize for this inconvenience, and we should underway the next few minutes as soon as we can. Thank you.
thank you for watching my channel. If you have any comments, let me know in the comment section, and until then, bye bye.